Good morning, students. In the last classes, we are discussing about the algebraic expressions. In that, we have discussed what do you mean by algebraic expression, monomial, binomial, polynomial, and how can we add or subtract the algebraic expressions. In today's class, we will discuss about the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Here, in this multiplication of algebraic expression, first we will multiply a monomial by a monomial. Monomial means an expression having one term is called as a monomial. Therefore, here we will consider an example. X into 3y. Find the product of x into 3y. X is a monomial, 3y is a monomial. X into 3y means here 3 into x into y, that is equal to 3xy. In the same way, in the second question, 5x into 3y. 5 3s are 15. X into y means xy as it is. Here 15xy. Next, third, 5x into 4x square. 5x into 4x square is equal to 5 4s are 20. X into x square, that is 5 4s are 20. X into x square and x to the power of 3. Therefore, we collect the powers of different variables in the algebraic parts of two monomials. While doing so, we use the rules of exponents and powers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು unlike terms ಇದ್ರು we are doing the multiplication. But in the case of addition, only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Here, while doing the multiplication, we will multiply the power of the variables if they are same. If they are different means then we'll keep that as it is, x and y. We are writing xy as it is. X into x square idaga the power should be added. We are using the exponents, exponential rules or exponential laws. X into x square means that is x to the power of 3. Next, multiplying 3 or more monomials. 3 or more monomials. More than 2 monomials, we are doing the multiplication. Here, 2x into 5y into 7z is equal to 2 into 2x into 5y. First, we will do the multiplication. 2 5s are 10. 10xy into 7z. 10 7s are 70. 70xyz. Next, in the second problem, 4xy into 5x square y square, 6x cube y cube. First, we will do the multiplication of 4xy into 5x square y square. 4 5s are 20. X into x square andre x cube. Y into y square means y cube into 6x cube y cube as it is. Now we will do the multiplication of 20 into 6. 26 are 120. X cube y cube into x cube y cube. We are doing the multiplication x cube into x cube, y cube into y cube. X to the power of 3 into x to the power of 3 means that is equal to x to the power of 6. 120 x to the power of 6, y to the power of 6. It is clear that first we will multiply the product of first two monomials and the result should be multiplied with the third monomial. In this way, we will do the multiplication of 3 or more monomials. Here, a table had given, we had to complete this one. The area of the rectangle, length and breadth is given, we will find the area. We are knowing the formula to find area of rectangle, length into breadth, L into B. 3x into 5y, 15xy. 9y into 4y square, 9 4s are 36. Y into y square, y power 3. 4ab into 5bc, 4 5s are 20. A, b into b, b square into c. Next, 2l square, m into 3, l m square. 2 l to the power of 3, 2 3 is 6. L square into l, l to the power of 3. M into m square, m to the power of 3. Next, exercise 6.2, we had to find the product of the pair of monomials 4 comma 7p. 4 7s are 28p. Minus into minus 4p comma 7p. Minus into plus minus 4 7s are 28. P into p, p square. Minus 4p comma 7pq. Minus into plus minus 4 7s are 28. P into p into q. P square q. Minus 28 p square q. Next, fourth, 4p cube into minus 3p. 4 cube p cube into minus 3p. 4 3s are 12. Plus into minus minus. P power 3 into p power 1 means p to the power of 4 minus 12 p power 4. Next 4p comma 0. 4p into 0 is equal to 4p into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 should be equal to 0. Next, find the areas of rectangle with the following pair of length and the breadth. ಇಲ್ಲಿ length ಮತ್ತೆ breadth ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏರಿಯಾನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ rectangle means length into breadth. P is the length, Q is the breadth. P into Q means PQ. Next, in the same way, second question, 10 mn, 10 m 5n, 10 5 is 50 mn, 20x square into 5y square, 25 is 100 x square y square. Next 4x into 3x square, 4 3s are 12, x into x square x cube, 3 4s are 12, m into m as it is, n into n square into p. Next, complete the following products. We had to complete this following product. Monomials, 2x into 2x. We will multiply the rows into column. First row, that is 2 2s are 4, x into x x square. Again first second column first row ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇಂದ -5y ನ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 5s are 10, x into y, 10xy. Again 2 3s are 6, x into x square x cube. 2 4s are 8, -8, x into x square y. 2 7s are 14, x into x square x cube y. Next 2 9s are 18, x cube y square. In this way we will do the multiplication. -5y in the 2x, -5y 3x square, -4xy 7x square y, 9x square y ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 2s are 10xy, 5 5s are 25y square, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15, minus into plus minus 15x square y square, minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20xy square, 5 7s are 35, minus 35 x square y. Next after that x square y square, minus 5 9s are 45 x square y power 3. In this way we will do the multiplication. 7 2s are 14 x cube y, 7 5s are 35 x square y square, 7 7s are 49 x square into x square x to the power of 4 y into y y square, 7 9s are 63 plus into minus minus x square into x square x to the power of 4 y into y square y to the power of 3, minus 9 x square y square into 2, plus into minus minus 9 2s are 18 x to the power of 3 y square, minus into minus plus 5 9s are 45 x square y cube. Now minus into plus minus 9 3s are 27 x power 4 y power 2, minus into minus plus 9 4s are 36 x cube y cube, minus into minus minus into plus minus 9 7s are 63 x to the power of 4 y cube, minus into plus minus into minus minus into plus minus 9 9s are 81 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4. In this way we will do the multiplication.